Hey friends, today I'm going to talk about how I organize my art supplies. And the reason why is because once upon a time, I used to have everything in sight. I used to have my pens available. I used to have my paints available, everything just right here. I used to have it physically. I could just reach over and grab it. The reason this has changed is because I realize I have crazy bad decision fatigue. And I know this is relatable because we all freeze when we have the blank page, right? So if we have all of these supplies just at the ready, it can be like, oh gosh, okay, and then just freeze. So this is very strange for me because I never thought that I would be the type of person who would need to have everything put away. But as it turns out, I want to show you how I did it that works for me, and maybe it will inspire you and prompt something to help you as well so that you can actually go into your space, have a clean slate, and be able to fuel your ideas based off of what you're feeling that day. Okay, so this primarily takes place inside one of these, and I know this looks familiar because it is our tried and true IKEA flat cabinet file thingy. That's that's what it's called. So come on with me. I'm going to show you how I put together all of these drawers, and they are filled with goodies, but they all have a purpose as to why they are where they are. Okay, so I've got a lot of markers. I wanted to keep them separate by brand. Also by color. These are just my black and mixers, all divided so that I can access them quickly. I know it's a little overkill. I also have some pencils in here. So that's drawer number one. Drawer number two is a little more of a mix. I do have some more markers coming in here that I don't use as frequently, but still use. But then I have some miscellaneous tools for my palette, like scraping or wider brushes, along with some ink and adhesive. Drawer number three, oh my gosh, color coding your paint. I love color coding. It makes me tempted to do this with all my markers because it's so clean and easy and just is the best. The next drawer, I've got a lot of different watercolor sets. I love handmade watercolors, so I have these in here along with some pastels, colored pencils, and paint pens. I have a lot of fun with paint pens, so I have several packs here. And then the next drawer, I have my Caran d'Ache sets and then a lot of junk. And I say junk in a loving, endearing way because none of it's junk. Come on. It's stuff that I access that's fun, little desk friends. And then the last drawer I use for paper and sketchbooks. And I have different types depending on what I want to use it for. If you're wondering, okay, where are the other supplies? I have those even more accessible for myself because I know that I use them even more. So, for example, gouache I have in a basket that I can just grab and dump on the desk and grab the colors I want. So, I know that it seems straightforward, but oh my gosh, did it make a difference in my creative practice. So, I hope it helps you too.